In a world where adhesion is king.
Now remember, this is for tight bond.
Oh, right. Tight Bond. No hype, no gimmicks. Just reliable adhesives from a trusted source for generations.
We're here at AWFS 2015 in the American Fabric Filter booth with Tim Robinson to learn a little bit more about some custom bags that they offer for dust collectors. Tim, what can you tell us?
Well, we're a custom manufacturer, and we manufacture numerous different types of bags for numerous different types of dust collectors. What we like to do is we like to optimize the system by making a bag, manufacturing it to a size that it really should have been manufactured to originally. And also at the same time, we like to add in some special features and things that may help ease the use of the dust collection system.
Sure. Do you use a special kind of fabric? Tell us about the fabric.
Yes, we use main material used for dust collection and woodworking is a 1 micron polyester needle felt fabric. And we have a couple different weights depending on what the customer is doing. And we will basically ask them some questions, figure out exactly what their needs are, and then manufacture it and recommend something based on that.
Now, what's the advantage to putting an aftermarket bag like yours onto a dust collector? Does it make it more efficient? Does it operate more cleanly? What's the big advantage?
It's going to do both those things, really. You're going to notice that instead of impeding some of the dust flow and the airflow by having a bag that's undersized, that is really stiff when you turn it on, hard to push in, it's going to open it up and kind of let it breathe a little bit more, thus giving you a little more suction at your tools and also giving you a much better filtration rate than most of the stock bags that are out there.
So even if you have a small dust collector, a custom bag can give even small machines better performance?
Very much so, yes sir. Yeah, they will help you out a whole lot because again, they weren't really sized out originally. They were more thinking about footprint than really functionality. Sure. And we can work with every given customer's footprint and area they have to work with to give them an optimized unit.
Now, is every bag you make customized, or do you have some bags that are pre-made? So for some of the more broad use dust collectors, you've got bags ready to go.
We really don't keep much in stock. We make everything custom to order. We do have some more standardized designs for more standard systems that are out there.
Okay.
But we found over the years, if it's not a larger bag house style system, that it's something that we're going to have to work with the customer one-on-one to really fit their needs, as opposed to giving them an off-the-shelf item and making them make it work.
Sure. How long does it take to have a bag made?
Our typical lead time's right around 3 weeks.
Okay, great. And what about price range? Can you speak to that?
Yeah, it's going to cost anywhere from around, say, $50 to $150, $200 for a single bag, and that varies widely on what type of collector and systems. But you're looking right around there for a smaller single bag type setup.
Do you have some other products that you offer aside from the fabric bags for dust collectors too? Straps or the lower bags? What do you have?
Well, we've got the lower bags, and they're in plastic. We can do the breathable felt, or we can do a heavy-duty canvas. Something that's going to really stand up to the wear and tear of taking it off and emptying it.
Sure.
A lot of our customers like the plastic because they're a one-time use, but they're a 6 mil thick, robust, something that you can put on the bottom. It's not going to pop when you're running the dust collector.
Sure. How about your clamps?
And the clamps, we use a quick release clamp. We sell these, and they're really great little deal. You thread them through, pull it tight, and then snap it down, and then tighten it with a socket or a screwdriver, and it makes changing out the bags or taking them off a lot easier. And we've also found that if we put the clamps through a hem, it'll keep it round for the customer, and it makes changing it out a lot
One
easier.
less thing to drop.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Now, if our viewers would want to get more information about American Fabric Filter bags, what's your website?
Well, you can go to www.americanfabricfilter.com, or you can call us at 800-367-3591.